In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install brushes in Gimp. Let's get started. First, make sure to copy the brush files. Click on the folder containing the brush that you would like to add in Gimp and highlight it. Now, right-click on the highlighted files and select Copy or simply press Ctrl-C on your keyboard. Now, open Gimp. On the menu bar, click on the Edit tab and select Preference. In the Preference window, scroll down on the left pane and expand the folder's category by clicking on the plus sign before it. Now click on the brushes, and the right pane will update with your brush folders. In most cases, you will have two entries in the list. One is System Directory, and the other is your personal directory, which is highlighted and writable. Select the writable folder and click on the File Drawer button on the upper right side. Now, open the brush folder and right-click on it and select Paste, or simply hit Ctrl-V on your keyboard to make a copy of your brushes in Gimp's brush folder. Now, go back to Gimp and click on the brush panel and refresh the brushes. Now, we have installed a new set of brushes in Gimp. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.